Now see this question. In this question we have to find the current I2. Okay, so this is very basic question of Kirchhoff's current rule. See how we can easily solve this question. Here this is 8 ampere current source and this is 7 ampere current source in this branch. So at this junction only this current is unknown. So what is this current? That is simply equals to 8 minus 7. It means 1 ampere will go out there. Okay, so if we make the sum, then we get total sum of currents is equals to 0. That's why this is 1 ampere. Now this 1 ampere meet at this node. Here this 2 ampere meet at this node. Now simply here current is equals to 3 ampere. Only in that case sum of currents meeting at a junction is equals to 0. That's why I2 is simply equals to this is in this direction. Only in that case sum of currents meeting at a junction is equals to 0. So we can write I2 is equals to minus 3 ampere, because we have to find the current I2 in this direction, but actual current is in this direction. That's why I2 is equals to minus 3 ampere. Now see this question. In this question this circuit is given. Okay, this is current IL, this is current IR, and this is current source of 12 cos omega t minus theta. Here we have to find the value of theta. If this IR is given as 3 e to the power minus 4t plus 4 e to the power minus 3t, and this IL is equals to 1 ampere at t is equals to 0. So here we solve this question by using simple KCL rule. Okay, that is Kirchhoff's current law. So according to Kirchhoff's current law, we know that the sum of currents meeting at a junction is equals to 0. So we can write 12 cos omega t minus theta plus IL is equals to IR. Now at t is equals to 0, IL is equals to 1. Okay, and IR is equals to, if we put t is equals to 0, then e to the power 0 is equals to 1, and this e to the power 0 is also equals to 1. So we simply get 3 plus 4, that is equals to 7. And what is the value of this 12 cos omega t at t is equals to 0? If we put t is equals to 0 here, then we get this cos omega t minus theta is equals to, put t is equals to 0, so we get cos minus theta, and that is equals to cos theta, because cos minus of theta is equals to cos theta. So put all these things, we get 12 cos theta plus 1, because IL0 is equals to 1, plus that IR is equals to 7. So here we get cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. It means theta is equals to 60 degree. So this is the solution of this question. If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends, because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.